Hey guys, it's Rodella. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a very easy devil makeup look for Halloween. So let's just get into it. For moisturizer, I'm going with the Ezo Share Hydrating Cream, and I'm just applying this all over my face to give us a smooth base. Next, I'm taking the Farsali Unicorn drops, and because I'm extra, I'm applying it like those beauty gurus do with those like drippy things. Next for foundation, I'm going in with this one from Giorgio Armani. It's the Lasting Silk UV Foundation, and I'm just applying this with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm applying that under my eyes, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on the Cupid's bow, and on the chin. Then to set the face, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm in the shade Pound Cake, and I'm just going to bake under my eyes and where I put concealer. It was like sorcery, she left me like an alcoholic. To then set the rest of the face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 220. Then for bronzer, I'm taking this one by Benefit. It's the Hula one, and this is the like normal shade, and I'm just applying this on my cheekbones, the sides of my forehead, around my forehead, and then on the jawline. Then for blush, I'm going in with this one from Deli Plus, and here I struggle to open it because I can't do anything, and this is in the shade 02. Then to keep our face a little bit hydrated, I'm going into some Fix Plus, and again, because I can't do anything, it started spraying in the wrong direction, so here it's going in the right one, so that's good. Then to get a blinding highlight, I'm going in with this one from Becca. Yes, it's shattered. No, I was not the one to break it. So yes, it's still very good, very blinding, and yeah, so here you witness it. Very nice, very nice.
Que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que...
So here we are now up close and personal. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, taking the MAC brow pencil, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows, you know, actually giving it some shape because my eyebrows are kind of jacked up. So now I'm making them better, gonna make them on fleek. So here I've switched angles and now have a different lighting. I don't know, I kind of thought this was better, and I don't know, I think it is. So I'm just carving out my eyebrows now with the same Too Faced concealer, and this is just gonna make them so nice and sleek. And here I'm just playing with some light, you know, being weird, but it's alright.
Me quieren desde que yo canto, pero yo soy tuyo nada más. Dile que tú eres mía desde la high. El yerno favorito de tu mai. El campo que tenía toda la.
Then I'm setting that concealer to prime my eyelids with the Huda Beauty setting powder.
Dile que yo no soy cualquiera. Yo soy tu primero, tú eres mi primera. Todos te quieren probar.
To then lock my eyebrows in place, I'm taking the Benefit 3D Brow Tones Eyebrow Gel, and this is just going to make them look a little bit fuller. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and for the eyes today, I'm not really doing anything special. I'm just putting in a transition color, and then later I'm deepening up the crease with a darker color, and that's pretty much it.
Tú sabes que eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía.
Then I decided to take this MAC eyeliner and make a simple winged liner. You don't have to put in a wing liner if you don't want to, but I've just decided to, so yeah. To add in a little bit of glitter, I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the color Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just applying this kind of like on the inner corner to really brighten up the look and give it a little bit of pizzazz. For mascara, I'm going in with the Dior Show Iconic Mascara in the color Black, and I'm just applying this on my eyelashes, on the top ones and the bottom ones.
Come let me walk. Your body is just for me. It was like sorcery. She left me like an alcoholic. Around you, your mommy let me hold you. Let me arms right around you, girl. Boy, good love and got all around you to make sure no one can harm.
Then to outline my lips, I'm going in with this red lip liner, and after this, I'm going to go in with the red lipstick on top.
Te espero un par en mi cama. Me encanta la forma que me hablas. Invita a tu amiga a la buena, pa' que fumemos como fumamos en la Habana. Siempre andamos positivos. Esa es la forma en que vivo, activo. Que se joda que no esté lo mismo. Yo disfruto mientras siga vivo. Di que sí que no te cuesta, si conmigo estás vestida de Chanel hasta los pies. Si tú te pones pa'l problema, yo me pongo como se tiene que ser. De una vez,
So now all you have to do is pop on some devil ears, you know, maybe put on a red shirt, and you're done. So this is the finished look. Diamond, can you not? So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried my best to make it look as good as possible. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!